Polygon Matic at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a pullback to the downside after an aggressive bounce to the upside into a key area of resistance between the 0.22892 and the 0.2221. And at the time of this recording, we also continue to hold above a horizontal line of support above the 0.1934. And on today's update video, I will be discussing key areas that we need to pay attention to for the next coming hours, basing my analysis on the additive structures. So make sure that you stick around, and starting the video by first discussing what has been happening from the highs we made above the 0.27697, where you can see that I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas for the wave 2, highlighted on the chart using that yellow target area, an area within which we got rejected, starting a pullback to the downside in the formation of these wave 3, and the minimum target areas for the wave 3 were given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of that second wave, and the fib ratio 1:1 above the 0.2064 was my first target area, an area that we fully maximized. So a bit of a bounce over here in what I have been terming as the formation of these wave 4 to the upper side, and the minimum target areas for the wave 4 were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the second wave to the low of that wave 3 over there. And you can see that the area that I was paying attention to was between the fib level 0.5 and the 382, an area that we fully maximized yesterday. And within that area, you can now see that we are now getting rejected in what could turn out to be the start of an impulsive breakdown move in the formation of these wave 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by extending the fib extension to the lows we made in the formation of these wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.16831 as my next target area to the downside. And for us to fully maximize that target area, that means that at some point I'm expecting that POL is going to lose support above the 0.1934, flipping that key area back into resistance. And the moment that plays out, then expect further downside to fully maximize our minimum target areas. So that is all that I'm expecting here on the POL chart, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.